Okay, so we got the top side done. I went ahead and did that. Brent ran to the auto parts store to get something for that F-150. I don't remember what it was. So anyway, I went ahead and wet sanded it. So now we're doing the bottom side. Now if you guys are painting one of these yourself, I'll have a link in the description of the sandpaper, some canned primer and stuff like that if you guys want to check that out. Do not forget to paint right here. This is where it goes, lips over the quarter panel, but when you pop the trunk lid to get in your trunk, this will show, because this is on the deck lid bolted down, but this part will show. So if you don't paint that, it'll look silly when you pop your trunk. So remember to always do the end caps. This is right where your quarter panel would be. I also have to remember that when I paint to actually make sure I get it all covered 100%. Now I went ahead and sanded. If you guys could see in the previous clip, I was sanding around this edge right here. Now this doesn't have to be perfect for paint because you don't see it, but I do want the paint to stick because this is where I'm going to put my double-sided tape, which I'll also link in the description below. So I'm gonna finish this up, get it dried off, we're gonna take a look at it, and then we're gonna go put it in the booth. Alright Brandon, here is your old intake. Cracked on that side and blew the gasket out, so you were getting water straight down in the cylinder. And then Noah here, he's got the brand new intake manifold that we ordered and it just came in this morning on Saturday. What do you think about that new one, Noah?
It's beautiful, mate. It's gorgeous. It's gonna look good on there.
Yeah, it's gonna
like a champ.
It's gonna seal, isn't it?
Heck yeah, it is. No more leaking for Brandon's car.
Nope. And we got Brandon a new sticker. He doesn't know yet though. So Noah's gonna work on that, and then Brent and I, we're out here with Colin's car, and we got the S281 spoiler. So we got to use double-sided tape, install the third brake light, and then we actually, this didn't come with any hardware, so we actually had to screw 2 screws on, and I'm not sure the holes are going to line up, so it's going to be pretty difficult to get it on. But we're going to get that on here, and then we will be back after we get it on.